In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can edit pictures on Canva for beginners, easy and simple. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do, just go to your Canva homepage like this, okay, and click over here on upload and click on choose file, okay, and you will upload your picture from your laptop that you want to edit. Okay, I will upload this one as an example. Okay, I will click on open and click over here on use in new design. Then you need to choose the size of the picture that you want to edit. So let's say for example you want to edit this picture for Facebook post. You can choose Facebook post size. You want this picture for Facebook cover, you can choose Facebook cover size, Instagram story, Instagram story here, Instagram post. So for me, for example, I will click just on Facebook post and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so now let's edit this picture. So first we will start with the background. So let's say for example you want to remove this background. Click on the picture, click on edit image. Okay, scroll down, you should see over here background remover. Click on background remover and your background will be removed. Okay, I will click on apply. What you will do next, so let's say you want to add a different background. Okay, so what you will do, click on your picture, click on this 3 point and click over here on detach image from background. Okay, like this. And what you will do, click on element and click over here. Let me show you. Click on the search for the background that you want to use. So for me, I'm gonna use nature background. I will search for nature background. Click on photos. I will use for example this one. I will click on this picture and this background will be over here. Click on this 3 point, click on so let me show you. Click on this picture, click on this 3 points, click on set image as background. Okay, and your image background will be like this to your picture. Okay, so what you will do next, click on this picture, keep clicking, and they will add this picture here like this. Click over here on edit image and scroll down, and you should see over here you will have different options that you can edit this picture. So you have here brightness. You can decrease this brightness like this, or you can increase it if you want. As you can see, I'm gonna make it just to 4. You have contrast, you can decrease or increase it. As you can see, let's make it to 7. You have saturation, you can decrease it or increase it. Okay, if you want to make it to black and yellow, as you can see, black and white, I'm gonna make it just like this. Scroll down, you have filters over here. You can check, if you click over here on see all, you can check those filters. Okay, you have a lot of filters here that you can use if you want. As you can see, I'm gonna just click on none and they will go back. Scroll down, you have those tools that are really great. You have auto enhance. If you click on this auto enhance, it will enhance your picture. As you can see, if we click over here on show original, you can see there is difference. Okay, you have intensity. As you can see, you can decrease, so let me, you can decrease it or increase it, as you can see. Okay, you will click on cancel. Scroll down, you have also those different filters here. Click on see all. You can see that you can it's really easy and simple to edit picture on Canva. Okay, if you scroll down, you have different filters here, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna just click on none. I'm gonna use, so I will go back, scroll down. You have those tools here that you can use, Prisma. Okay, so let's for example try this one. As you can see, your picture, and here you go, your picture will be like this. You can also, if you want to try this one, let's try this one, wind. As you can see, and you have different Prisma here filters that you can check. If you scroll down, you will find different filters and so on. Okay, also you have shadow over here. Okay, so let me just go, I'm gonna click on this one, communicate, and if you want to go back and edit, if you want to go back to your old design, click over here, undo, and you will go back. Okay, so let's see this one. As you can see over here, you see shadow. Click on this shadow, we'll choose this one, glow, and shadow will be added to your picture. If you keep clicking here on see controls, and you should see the controls here. Okay, I will choose, if you want to edit the color of the shadow, click on this option color, choose, I'm gonna choose white, as you can see, and I will decrease it. I will increase this one, and I will increase the transparency, and I will make the size like this, and I will decrease this one, transparency, like this, and I will decrease the size, apply, and here you go. I'm gonna add this picture like this. So that's how you can edit picture on Canva, easy and simple. After you finish, click on share and click on download, and this picture will be downloaded to your laptop. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next video.